Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to talk about what to watch for in the stock market today, and we're also going to take a look at Shiba Inu, just kind of take a look at the price and go over what it's ranked on coinmarketcap.com, maybe take a look at an article or two and kind of go from there. So today Jerome Powell is going to speak and they're going to give their rate decision on, if it's going to be 50 basis points or whatever, or 75. I don't know what the basis points going to be, but they're going to give their decision today. He's going to talk about the recent CPI data numbers, which came in a little bit lower than expected. So I think his verbiage, his terms, his whole demeanor and attitude, I guess, towards the CPI data is going to either make or break the market for probably the next 2 to 3 weeks. In my opinion, is if he comes out and he's very optimistic and saying that that's a really good sign, we're in the right direction, then I think the markets obviously respond very well to that. If he comes out and he's like, we're lower, but we're still nowhere where we need to be, we have a long road ahead, blah blah blah, and then obviously that's going to be like, oh crap, and here we go again, the market's going to keep coming down. Not sure exactly where, what route we're going to take on that. So that's something to kind of watch out for today. If you see the market really going higher, obviously he was very positive and optimistic. If you see the markets going lower, then he was obviously kind of negative, or hawkish is the word that people use, and probably pushing us down. Okay, so we're going to take a look at the stock market futures as of 4:53 a.m. Central Standard Time. Yes, I'm up very early right now. We're pretty flat. I think people are going to be waiting it out to see exactly what what happens at his meeting, and what they do to the rates and everything, and how he talks about the state of the economy and where we're going. I think that's going to play a big part in what happens at the overall market. So definitely think that's something to pay attention to today. I'm not exactly sure what time all that's happening. I know the CPI data usually gets released in the morning before actually the market opens, and but I'm not sure if he's going to come out, and usually he'll come out and talk during the market, like sometime in the afternoon or so. Really not 100% sure. I'll try to look that up here in a second. The VIX is at 22.71. as you see here, where it's really not a whole lot of volatility right now. However, if he comes out and he's negative, obviously then that's going to change the game for sure. And speaking of Jerome Powell, so I just, simple Google search. This was yesterday. Someone posted that tomorrow at 2:30 Eastern, so 1:30 Central, Jerome Powell is going to come up and talk and kind of give us his feedback. So keep an eye on that. Okay, guys. So on to Shiba Inu. We're going to take a look at SHIB, and we are up about 3% for the day. We're going to come down, take a look at the charts here and see what we're looking at. If it'll load up for me, maybe it will, maybe it won't. Guess we're about to find out. Here we go. Okay, so we'll look at the year to date, just kind of show you here. Year to date, we had been kind of just finding some support right here, then we broke below that 401, and then now we're kind of hovering around the 508 and 509. So interesting to see what happens moving forward. We're currently ranked on CoinMarketCap. We're still in the top 20, which is good considering how low it's gone. We're still ranked number 16, so want to definitely make our way back up and try to get in that top 10 again. Of course, this is all going to, I think, the overall state of the stock market's going to help this, and once Bitcoin starts moving, then obviously all the other cryptos will probably follow. That's the main one really to keep an eye on. That and Ethereum, if they're starting to move, then the crypto market's probably going to start moving as well. So it says total Shiba Inu addresses touches new high. Will SHIB price follow? Let's take a look at this article and just kind of see what they're talking about here. 1 second as we come down here. It says Shiba Inu still commands a good amount of crypto investors' attention despite losing so much of its value over the past year. This is evidenced by the continuous rise in the number of addresses that are holding the meme coin. Once again, the SHIB holder number has hit a new milestone as it crosses 3 million wallets. And it says crypto market has been in limbo lately as most of the digital assets in the space consolidate, but Shiba Inu has been seeing some good momentum in terms of holder base. Data from Glassnode shows a slow but steady climb in the number of wallets holding SHIB on their balances, and as the year draws to an end, it has reached new peaks. Shiba Inu addresses have now crossed 3 million and growing, even as the price of the meme coin has obviously fallen. So I'm not going to read the whole article, but that's definitely, in my opinion, an encouraging sign for Shiba Inu that people are actually holding on to it. And, you know, even through all the volatility and all that type of stuff here. And for me, I've just kind of been nibbling away at it as the price kept falling, and haven't really bought any or much lately. I did buy a little bit more, but I did reach my goal that I wanted for it. So now it's just kind of a, you know, holding game right now, and a waiting game, I guess. And you know, maybe eventually I could buy a little bit more later, but I'm not looking to really add much at this point due to the fact that, like I said, that it hit my goal and my target on that there. So hey guys, that's all I got for you in this video. I just wanted to give you an update that was happening with Jerome Powell, and kind of talk a little bit about Shiba Inu. Haven't talked about that one much in quite a while, so I wanted to bring that up here. Let me know your comments below. Let me know what your plans are moving forward for Shiba Inu and the overall state of the market. Other than that, we'll catch you in the next one.